Hello everyone, and today's topic is integumentary system. Integumentary system refers to the skin, and skin is the largest organ system in human body. And skin is composed of three layers: outer layer, middle layer, and inner layer. Outer layer is composed of stratified squamous epithelium cells, and it provides the waterproof barrier, and it is responsible for our skin tone and prevent the excessive water loss from body. And it is avascular, means do not contain blood vessels. Middle layer of the skin contains fibrous connective tissues, and it provides the strength and elasticity to the skin. And it also contains nerves and sensory receptors. Next is it contains blood and lymph vessels. It and helps in the regulating body temperature. In middle layer, hair follicles and sweat glands are present. Third is the inner layer is the adipose tissues and loose connective tissues, and attach skin to other structure below it, and it acts as the insulator and prevent body from getting towards too warm and too cold. How the skin act as a shock absorber. It store fat around your muscles and bones, and protect them around the trauma and injuries. Accessory organs present in the integumentary system are hairs. Hairs are dead keratinized filament growing outside the epidermis, and hair follicle is mainly present in middle layer of the skin. Then next is the sebaceous. It is a type of oil gland found all over the body and helps to lubricate and waterproof the skin and hair. The third is the sweat gland. Sweat gland produces sweat to cool the body, and develop from epidermal projection into dermis. And in sweat, ammonia, urea, and salts are present. Next is the nails. Nails is specialized structure, protect phalanges, and provide mechanical support from manipulating object. Eyelid of the skin is 0.02 mm thick, and thin, and thick skin found on a feet that is 1.4 mm. Function of skin are a sensation, means it contains receptor of sensation, and it heat, cold, pain, such these sensation are be on the skin. Homeostasis means it regulates the temperature and pH of the body. And vitamin D synthesis, excretion may excrete waste materials, ammonia, such as ammonia, urea, salt, and sweat. Via sweat. Chemical factors are sebum is a slightly acidic, reducing bacterial growth on the skin surface, and sweat removes most bacteria on the skin surface. Physical barrier, keratinized cells in the epidermis provide the physical barrier. Then next is biological barrier, means WBC, such as macrophages destroy invading bacteria and other foreign substances. And there are also provide and protective barrier against mechanical, thermal, and physical injury and hazardous substances. Prevent loss of moisture, and reduce harmful effect of UV radiations. Act as the sensory organ that touch, detects, and temperature. Helps regulate the temperature, and an immune organ to detect infectious, etc. And production of vitamin D. So that's all. Thank you so much.